I love them.
Action.
Who could that be? Only Nikki's being nerdy now.
I'm wearing my character shoes.
Annie's about to go out in her little outfit. Who are you?
No, she got snacks. And a present. I brought you Diet Coke. We have take it as a present. And I also brought you.
Don't hurt my pumpkin.
Where do you want me to put this?
On the counter, please.
The counter. Where's that?
Over there.
Okay.
Come in.
So, what's happening? Whoa, alright! Let's go. Let's do something. Let's go. Come on.
What do you want to do? I don't even know who you are. Why are you in my house?
We're here for your party, Beverly. Don't you remember? Didn't you have a dream about it?
Hey!
That's creepy.
Remember? It's just your old friends. Lexington and Durango.
Oh, but of course.
We smoke crack.
Why don't you show us around?
Okay, just stay away from those kids over there. They're crazy.
Go on ahead, Durango. Alright, let's go, Lexington.
Well, this is my roommate.
Hold on a second. I have to poop. Here's a bathroom right here. Alright. Just go on ahead. Alright. I'll
This is
go
my
poop.
roommate.
Keep walking up the stairs.
Just go to the other your room, Bailey.
Oh, okay.
And show me.
I wouldn't go in there if I were you.
Where are you taking me, Beverly? This is...
I pooped in there. On the ground.
I'm getting scared, Beverly. I'm on my way up. Beverly.
So this is the upstairs.
Upstairs.
Just basically I have
There'd
a
be
nice.
And
I'm gonna
this
get
is the
you.
hallway.
This is the best party I've ever been to.
I know, right?
Actually, kind of sucks.
Oh crap! Surprise bear! I mean, you can jump off this ledge. That's pretty fun.
Show them the necklace. Show them your jewelry box and say something's missing.
Oh, okay. You want to there?
Yeah, jewelry. Let's go. Let's flashy. That's cool. That's hip.
And say something's missing. Oh no.
Oh. What the heck? One of my pieces is missing.
Pieces of what?
Jewelry.
Jewelry?
Yeah.
What kind of jewel?
It's missing.
That bear has coke on it now.
It's
Beverly has a jewel missing.
Oh my gosh, it's her.
Oh my gosh. Why is a jewel missing? What are we gonna do?
I ate it.
Looks like we gotta wait for Nikki to poop to let it out.
You guys are gonna have to go look for it around the house.
We should look for it. Good idea.
in her poop.
Let's look for it in the
Wait a
dark.
minute. She has pooped already today, right?
I have.
Oh my gosh.
I have
Somewhere. To the septic tank.
What?
Let's
Guys,
go
what if
find
the
my
jewel is a metaphor for her?
A bear! No, that's just a rug. That's good. Let's go inspect the septic tank. Oh my gosh! The septic tank is leaked everywhere. Leaked everywhere? The jewel could be anywhere. Oh my gosh. Where should we start?
Better find it.
Why don't you start in the bathroom? Which one? The one downstairs. Okay.
Hey, Bailey.
Yes.
Why'd you bring these guys over?
I didn't invite them. They just showed up and invited. Isn't that suspicious?
Bailey, you know our plan. To kill as many men as possible.
Oh yeah.
Starting with the cameraman.
Oh, guys, go get my weapons. Go get my weapons.
I'll go get your other jewels.
Go get the weapons.
I don't see anything in here.
Hey.
What?
Don't tell them our secret plan.
There's nothing.
Find my jewelry!
Jewels in here. I wish the septic tank hadn't exploded. Nikki must have pooped too much. It's not here. Look. There's nothing in there. And I found this. Oh, that's the pumpkin I brought. Oh my gosh, that could be a clue.
If you don't find my jewels, I will kill you.
That's a little harsh.
I will kill you. I will have my minions kill you.
Backwards, Luke.
I must escape! I must escape! No!
Reload your gun! Reload your gun, animal!
Why are you calling me animal?
I don't know, I thought it would be more effective.
I decided I wasn't going to
must
live my life
disguise
based on
myself.
7 white balls, but 2 big black ones.
Wait, what is that from?
The Office.
Yeah.
Ew.
Hey.
I'm not Durango anymore. Did you reincarnate as an old lady?
Durango, what happened?
I just went to the bathroom and I don't know.
The septic tank exploded.
The septic tank.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, the jewel's in there.
The jewel! The jewel. Go to Beverly's room now. I mean, Beverly's room. Ah! Oh, it's demons.
Okay, guys, let's come up to it with a conclusion, guys. Let's get this out of the. Let's get this over with.
I got it.
I shot my
Okay.
What was that scream?
Note to self: never invite Nikki.
Wow.
Wow.
Very quickly, the conclusion is the death of all men. Yay! Where's the sword? Stab him!
Dude, what are you doing?
Oh no, the sword was poisoned.
Dead!
Oh my goodness gracious!
I left my Coke in the bathroom.
Victory for women!
Or was it?
And only one was left.
I wasn't a lady. I'm a man. I'm Durango.
Okay, now let's see Bailey dead. Who's this? Oh my god. Guys, she's dead.
My goodness. Only the tears of a fish will bring her back.
But the question is, who did it? Dun, dun, dun.
I befriended